In front of me is POCO X8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off high performance mode. First of all, go into settings and scroll to tap on battery section available here. Now choose current mode and tap on ultimate mode in the pop-up. When you do, you will see the second pop-up. In order to use ultimate mode, you need to hit OK. So when I do that, as you can see, high performance is on. To switch it off, click on current mode again and tap on any other one, like balanced. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!